So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix your iPhone's notification bar slide down issue. For example, let's say if you have slide down the notification bar. Now here if you again try to swipe down below or of the screen, here you'll see it has been slided down to the off half of the screen. Now you can easily turn that option off just by going to the settings of your iPhone. Now simply open the settings, and in the settings you simply need to go to this option of or you can easily search for reachability. Right there, simply search reachability, and here you'll find this option that says reachability. You simply need to turn that option off. This is a feature that helps you to access the upper side of your screen without moving your hands much, but it might be cause some trouble in your case. So simply turn that option off. Now it will not. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.